Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. Today I will be showing you how I made a paper basket. Now I have made a paper basket before, but this one's going to be a little different. So here we go. Okay, so in order to start the next paper basket, I have this pattern here that I am going to cut out first. Okay, so I've cut out the pattern, and then the next thing I'm going to do is actually trace it onto this blue piece of paper. Now I could have possibly printed this out on this paper, but I wasn't sure how that was going to do, and I didn't want to mess up my printer, so I just printed it out on a piece of white paper, and I'm now going to trace it onto this blue paper and cut it out. Okay, so after that, I'm now going to, I copied the fold lines onto here, so I'm now going to fold on those lines. So the next step, and pretty much the last step, is to put it all together. So I'm just going to take these flaps and the inside, and I'm just going to tape them all together. Right, and then there you go. And now you can pretty much fill it up with whatever you'd like. Now, of course, since I made this out of paper, you might only want to fill it up with stuff that is light, maybe like paper flowers or something like that, but you could probably definitely make this out of like cardstock or even like a cardboard and then be able to fit more heavier things in there. But this is pretty much it. I think it looks really cute. So that is how I created the simple paper box. I think it looks really cute, and like I said, you could try and make it with other materials so you'd be able to hold heavier things in it, but I'm overall very happy with it and I think it's really cute. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!